Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. It's been a while. We've been kind of not keeping up to date, but we're trying to get back on track. So today, actually, you guys are gonna witness me put my hair back on. Yeah, I have hair, but I mean the other hair back on. Yeah, I mean, this is the time where you better learn some new skills. So, you know, I've been watching a couple of videos. I'm gonna apply my wig by myself. Who knows, maybe I'll be able to do it. Maybe not, but I'm gonna try. So, yeah, you guys are gonna see me with my gel braids. You should be so lucky, okay? Yeah, just watch, see what I'm doing. If I'm doing it wrong, comment down below. If I'm doing it right, if you even admire the courage to try and do my own hair, give me a thumbs up, smash that like button. Make sure you turn on your notification buttons and please hit that subscribe button, guys. Watch us, help us out, yo.
You just lead us up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just leave it up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. You just leave it up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all. You just lead us up to me. Take a trip to the stars. I can show you it all. Yeah. Look at all this moolah, I got cash now. And a bunch of books in my lap now. All up in your face like a front page. Going through your place like a front gate. Gatorade, I sip it till I fade away. Mix it with the vodka, then I'm A-okay. Yeah, looking for that green, I wanna radiate. Then sail away like it's 1988. You just lead us up to me. I can show you my world. We can go through it all.
Okay guys, we're back. Hey, I don't know if you guys noticed, but like, do you see my shirt? I did this by myself. I embroidered it by myself. Go Fifi, go Fifi. It's part of my African royalty brand that I have. I'll link down below to my Instagram page so you guys can like maybe get one of these, show you face masks, a couple things, you know? So, I wasn't gonna have the kids in this video, but that's not my life. That's not my reality. The kids are everywhere, so you might see them running in and out. Yes, Jasmine? Okay, I'll cut it for you in a second, okay? So, this is the wig, my short wig. This is the picture, like, this is what I got done for my birthday. It's cute, right? So, I took it out because it was getting all, like, you know, gross and stuff. Frontals don't last very long. So, I had to take it out, wash the wig. So, I'm gonna try and reapply it myself. Hopefully it looks the same, probably not. I normally go to Wigs by T. Check her out on Instagram. She's very good, good prices. She's such a nice girl. Sure, you can try. So, yeah. These are just a couple of things I have. So my wig is one. I have glue. So this is Supreme Ghost Bond. I don't necessarily like using glue for my hair because it does rip out your edges. So I try to use it off my scalp, or not my scalp, my hairline. But sometimes it doesn't work out that way. So you just gotta really be careful. I will be using Got To Be Glue. Can you guys see that? I don't even know what they do. I'm no pro by any means. Look, this is literally like probably my third time doing it by myself. So, hold on. Okay, sorry about that. I got a phone call. So I can't find my wig caps and everything is closed. So I'm gonna use a stocking. Okay. Wish me luck. I'm gonna use a headband after to hold the hair back so I can do like the baby hairs, lay them down, you know. I can't find my freeze spray at the moment. I'm so mad 'cause I was just at the store. But apparently you can still use this to melt the cap, so I'm gonna do that. Of course, my trusty edges brush, okay? So yeah, just pay attention, see what's going on, comments. If I'm not doing this right, let me know. Hopefully the kids don't interfere too much, but if they do, that's my life, so we'll deal with it. Hold on. Okay, so listen y'all, I can barely see. I put the stocking over my head.
You can see.
I can see a little bit. My eyes hurt. I don't know how people rob banks like this. Like how you can't. So I'm gonna put this on to melt the cap, but I can't do it by myself because I can't actually see. So I've asked my sissy to help me. I'll hold the baby.
That's not your sister.
That's not my sister. Who is she then?
Auntie Jojo.
Oh, Auntie Jojo. I wonder how someone becomes an auntie. That's crazy. Okay, so she's bright, you know. Come, Jazz. Come show the people your face. Yeah. So she's bright. Bye. Kick rocks. So, basically, I'm just gonna ask you to put this.
Let's see.
It's so hard to see. I'm gonna ask you to put this like on my hair, because I'm gonna have to cut, like it's gonna melt, right?
Okay.
So you're gonna put it here. Hi guys, thanks. I really thought I could do this by myself. Oh yeah? I really did. Yay, I can breathe again. I can see again. Okay guys, so as you can see, she melted the cap. So now you gotta use your makeup to like kind of blend the cap in so it looks more like your skin color. I found some old foundation I don't use anymore. Hazelnut from FR, I can't remember what brand this is. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put on the cap to make it a little bit darker because it looks a little bit too light still. Is this even... It's probably expired, you know, because it's not even like cake in it. Well, okay, so it's not working. Yeah, this is like this is not a powder. This also could may not be my makeup. Maybe it's my sister's and she does use it because I found it upstairs. But well, I mean, sorry. Okay, I don't know. Forget it. I have translucent powder. Maybe that will work. It's a little bit more expensive than that probably was, but whatever.
Upstairs?
Use the one in my apartment, I think. I'm gonna use my translucent powder. Let's see. Okay, that's good enough for me. You should also go in your wig and make sure that the lace front is also tinted enough. I really thought I could do this by myself. Thank God for my sissy. Like, really, thank God. There's no way I was gonna do this by myself. No way, no how. I do this a lot though. I really do feel like I can do everything. So I would try and do it by myself, and people will just happen to be coming by or be around or ask for whatever reason if they can help. And I'm like, oh, well, actually, yeah, you can. And I'll make it look like I called them for that, but I really didn't. It's just it happens that way a lot. Thank you to those people. Okay. So, stop there. Put the wig down. Okay, and go back in with the dots. So I did forget one more step and I had to go get it. You need to use rubbing alcohol. I'm using hydrogen peroxide just to get the excess like glue off your head and all the oils and stuff in your skin. Otherwise the glue won't stick well. So here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna place this just in front of the line here and then kind of like spread it back. This is what's gonna hold the wig to my hair. So hold on. They said you gotta do it and then you gotta make sure that it dries clear before you add the next layers. It's my second layer. So just pointed out something that's actually very true. If I keep going lower, I'm not gonna have a forehead or a hairline, so I gotta kind of push the glue a little bit further back. So yeah. Okay, so now that I've gotten the glue on, I'm gonna put the wig on. I'm gonna get Jojo to come and help me again to apply the actual wig. So just hold on. So basically, this was. So this is where the bands I got help out, because now I can kind of use the bands to hold the hair back to find the baby hairs and stuff. So push all the hair back and just expose the lace. Sorry, Jess, you're standing in the camera. This band, normally they have like hairdressers will have like those tape bands or whatever, like that, almost like streamer type bands to like wrap around hair, but I don't have that, so I'm using a regular hair band just to hold it down. This wig actually has clips in the back of the wig, which were super uncomfortable when I first got it. Like, it was digging into my scalp, so it wasn't comfortable, but it does help secure the wig, right? So I'm gonna leave that on for a little bit, and then I'm gonna try and style the hair while I let that dry. I chose to go with the part that's this way because the hair was like, it didn't come like that, but my hairdresser had actually cut it like that. So I kind of tried to make it like do another style, and it didn't look too good because the way it's cut is asymmetrical. So I think that's what's called. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep that and then try and style it, just straighten it out a bit, and yeah, hopefully the baby hairs stay down and I can fix it. Hold on. Okay, so we're back. So as you notice, I've done my face, okay, put some makeup on, beat that with my Fenty Moroccan palette that I got for my birthday. And so now it's the moment of truth. I straightened the hair, so now it's time to see what it looks like on the edges to make sure the glue actually held. And then I have to restyle and fix my makeup like where I couldn't get to. Yikes, yikes, yikes. Hopefully this comes off, yeah? Okay. Ooh. Okay. Okay. Look. You guys see? Now it's just time to lay the baby hairs to make it look a little bit more natural. I like a little hair here, left hair, to finish off the asymmetrical look. Okay. So, let me use my little brush thingy to come up with the hairs that I need. So, I use the glue still just to do the edges, just because it will stay for sure. Although you can use gel or there's edge control and stuff, but I usually only use edge control on my natural hair and not for my wigs. So, of course, there's my kids misbehaving in the background. Jojo, I think I need your help again. Some of the baby hair is by accident to my head, so like this is what I meant. Like I was trying to keep that out so that way I could like form it later. So I just gotta use alcohol swipes to like wipe it off. Yes, Jazz, thanks for the word. Alright. Okay guys, so that's it. Here's a look. Do you guys like it? Jazzy, do you like it? Yeah. Okay, so yeah. So my face is mostly Fenty Beauty, and my hair is from ISEE Hair on AliExpress. And the person who actually cut and styled this wig is Wigs by T on Instagram. Make sure you check her out. When quarantine's over, visit her. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Say bye.